Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can change your nose height on CapCut PC. This is a pro feature, but there is like other enhancements you can do that is for free. So just go to the retouch section under video, scroll down until you find auto reshape and enable it. You're going to then select nose. Here I'll kind of zoom in a little bit so you guys can see. And here there's going to be with these bridge height root to adjust your nose height. Select this height section, and as you can see, you can let me just actually adjust this here. You'll be able to change your nose height. And that's pretty much it, really. It's that simple. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below and I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!